Hello guys, in today's video we're making homemade burger and oven baked chips. So in my bowl I'm going to add some potato chips, chili pepper, paprika, black pepper, some salt and seasoning, parsley flakes, and of course some vegetable oil. If you like onions you can add that. Here's my vegetable oil. We're going to give everything a good mix until it is well coated with the spices, and then you pop it in the oven and bake until it's fully cooked and crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. So I'm going to pop this into the oven now. As you can see, just spread it on your baking tray and put it in your preheated oven for I think 25 to 30 minutes and your potato chips should be ready. This is how it looks after. It's very yummy, soft on the inside and crispy on the outside. So now to our beef patty, you're going to add your minced meat, some breadcrumbs, chili pepper, basically any seasoning you like. Here is my ginger garlic powder, some salt and seasoning. Just add the spices you want. This is some parsley flakes and some crushed scotch bonnet and chili pepper with onions. Yeah. So I'm going to add a few mint leaves, just to add flavor, a little bit of oil, and then you're going to gently mix that very well until everything is well mixed and well cooperated. So you can do this and actually freeze it if you would like, or you can just cook it instantly, whichever way you want. So this is how it looked after, and then we are going to mold this now using our homemade patty molder. Just get a parchment paper, get a round quarter like this, and then just add some oil on the parchment paper and then put that round quarter and add in your minced beef. So you're going to gently press it so that you get that perfect round shape, and this is how it looks after. Very easy. To cook this, I'm going to put my grill pan and then sprinkle a little bit of oil. After that, I'm going to go in with my parfait beef patty. Remember, you can freeze this or allow it to marinate for 30 minutes or a few hours, or you can just cook it instantly. Allow the side to cook and then leave it for the other side to cook. Now once that is done, press gently, not too hard, very gentle, and then you're going to sprinkle some water so that it gets cooked evenly, and that's how you cook your burger patty. You can also use minced chicken for this, but for this recipe I'm using minced beef. I'm just sprinkling some water there, just so that everything gets cooked evenly. So at this junction, my burger patty is ready. You're going to remove it from heat and set aside. Then it's time to assemble your burger. But before then, you need to grill the burger buns for that extra crispness of the buns, and then you're good to go. Now cut your buns into two. You're going to grill it in your grill pan, and you're going to start assembling your burger. Once it's done like this, you're going to remove it from the heat. Add your sauce, your burger sauce, just a mixture of ketchup, mayonnaise, some chili pepper, uh, lime juice or vinegar, some sugar, and a little bit of salt. So I'll put on some lettuce, onions, and tomato. I will follow that with cucumber, and then I'll add my beef patty. So after adding the beef patty, I'm going to apply my last cream coating on the top buns, and use that to cover the burger. To secure this, you can use skewer to just secure the burger so it doesn't smudge or move. And basically, this is how it looks like, guys. Your perfect crispy baked potato wedges and your homemade burger ready to serve. If you like this recipe, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and also follow me on my Instagram page for more amazing recipes. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.